Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp DP without cropping problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section. And then go to the search and search on WhatsApp. Then go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option, click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to maybe restart your phone or maybe turn the Wi-Fi off and turn the Bluetooth off and turn it on back. And then if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful when you clear data, all the chats and the messages and the media will be deleted. So be careful if you want to clear data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.